Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be taking a look at the radial selection in Tableau. The radial selection in Tableau introduces a unique and intuitive way to interact with the data within the visualization. This feature enables the user to select the data points based on a circular or radial shape, offering a novel approach to the data exploration. With radial selection, you can highlight the specific data points, filter data, evaluate the information swiftly, which enhances the overall user experience for the person. It's visually engaging tool that simplifies the data analysis and is particularly advantageous for spatial data exploration, which makes it a valuable addition to the Tableau's toolkit of interactive features. Whether you're working with a geographic data or any dataset that can benefit it from a circular focus, radius selection provides an innovative and effective approach to the data interaction in Tableau. Now let's go to the Tableau screen and see how we can take the use of these radius selections to do a different kind of selection as we did in the rectangles. Let's go to the Tableau screen, and here we are working with the map data. So let me create a fresh map data for you. For that, I'll double click on the states. I'll drag this sales value and the size, and I'll drag this profit values maybe in the colors. To increase the sales size, I can click on the say size option and I can increase the size of the bubble from here. Now let's say that you want to focus on some specific areas, and these are the specific areas that you focus on where this particular profit is too less. And let's say if you want to focus the regions around it and how they are performing. So to do that kind of selection, what I need to do is I can click on this arrow icon and it would give me multiple options to zoom or select. Here is this radius selection option. So I can click on this radius selection and I can choose that data point. After choosing that data point and dragging with the help of left mouse click, you can see that it is trying to create a circle and it is trying to create a specific region around that. Whatever radius is coming from that specific point that you chose. So that would be considered as the center point of that specific circle. And let's try to increase the size of the circle. Now you can see. If I want to calculate what is the profit of this particular region and what is the profit of the adjoining regions, I can easily do it. Let's say if you're trying to find out the specific profit up to the 100-kilometer range of that specific region, you can easily do it by dragging these values and making the radial selection. So we cannot make an accurate value of 100 kilometers, but let's say if you have a specific diameter in mind or radius in mind, you can easily take the help of this radial map. Let's say if you want to focus this time on a different kind of value. Let's say if I'm taking the central part of it, I can again go over here and I can track this value. And I can easily see what is the range that is coming inside of that circle. You can see multiple data points of the multiple states that are coming in that specific radial area. So now it would be very easy for me to compare. Like let's say 500 kilometers from this specific zone, what is the amount of profit and sales that I am getting. So it would be very easy for me to compare when I am taking the help of this radius selection. I am making the selection based on these specific circular parameters. So this was all about the radial selection. In the next session, we will be talking about the lasso selection in Tab. Thank you.